Hi Barry Cross, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to use AI for affiliate marketing, and we are going to give you an example of how to use ChatGPT ChatGPT to create an email campaign, and that's going to include the subject line. It's going to include the email copy, the email body within the email, and also how to a prompt to use to get and promote the features that you can put within the email campaign, so you can start to earn affiliate commissions with whichever offer you're promoting. So first of all, I'll just show you what I'm promoting here. I'm promoting a list manager, which is within Leads Leap, called SendSteed. You get 10 lists. It's forever free membership. I will put a link in the description if you want to join for free. You not only get a list builder, you get all these other tools here to build any online business. And you want to be promoting, if you're going to use ChatGPT, then or an email campaign, promote something that's going to earn you affiliate commissions. And you'll see here with Leads Leap, so far I've earned $770. With the platform. That includes the SendSteed affiliate commissions, and you can earn those commissions as a free member as well. So let's have a look. First of all, what you do is, if you're not familiar with ChatGPT, you just go on to Google and type it in, and then this is what you click on here. And then when you go into the platform itself, then what you do is the window down here. This is where you write in what you want the AI to do for you. It's called a prompt. So just in the same way you would use a search engine, but it's not called a search. It's called a prompt. So the first prompt that I put in here to write my email campaign was, first of all, you need a subject line. So I wrote, write me 7 email subject lines to promote SendSteed List Builder. And then what GPT came up with was 7 subject lines here. And each of these, you could use them. Sometimes with AI, you've got to edit and just have a look through and just change a few things. And the only thing that I would add to this, any of these, is probably at the beginning, I would put in brackets maybe freebie day or freebie. Not the word free, because when you use the word free in a subject line, it can tend to put your email into spam. So I use the word freebie, or no cost is two good words to use. So they are all really ready to use. And then what I did, after I got my subject lines, I then wrote under here for the next prompt, write me 7 emails to promote SendSteed List Builder. So we've got the email subject line, and then what it does, it gives you here, email 1 is introduction and problem solving. So it's solving your prospects' email problems within what SendSteed does. And the second email, so it's giving you the whole email body that you can just copy and paste and you can put into your email campaign. In the second email, it's showcasing the features. So discover the remarkable features of SendSteed. So prospects want to know the features. What features? How is it going to benefit me in my email campaigns? So email number 3, success stories, social proofs, webinar invitation, don't miss out, final reminder. So you can use each and every one of those. Now, what I also did, just to add a little bit of an extra touch, is just to add a bit more, just to add a bit more strength to the email body, I wrote, write me 7 features of SendSpeed List Builder. So you could even use this as a subject line, 7 features of SendSpeed List Builder. So you could either put one of these in every day of your 7-day campaign, or what you could do is you could just use them individually, one a day for 7 days. I tend to do a 7-day campaign as soon as somebody opts in for the first 7 days, and that way people just get to know who you are and they see you every single day for 7 days. So it's given you, and these are the really strong features of the SendSpeed tool: split testing, integration with email marketing platform. It's really, so it's pulled out GDPR compliant analytics and reporting. It's pulled out all the click-through rates, conversions, tracking key metrics. It's pulled out all the really good features of the SendSpeed List Builder. So literally there within a couple of minutes, just takes 2 minutes. And what you've got there is you've got a full email campaign. You've got subject lines, you've got email body, you've got features, and all you need to do really is just copy and paste that into your, if you don't use SendSpeed, you can use it for any other list builder. You could use it for Aweber, GetResponse, MailChimp. ChatGPT will do it all for you. So just wanted to show you how simple and easy it is to use AI for affiliate marketing, because email marketing is one of the hardest things. If you're not if you don't like writing and you don't like creating emails, then you've now got a free tool that you can use to do that work for you. So if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that, because that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And also please share the video on social media as well. And if you've enjoyed today's video, then please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you'll get notified of all my new videos. So currently I'm doing several new videos every week, and I've got now over 1,000 videos on my channel. If you've got any questions about any content in this video, then please leave those in the comments below, and I'll answer all your questions for you. I'll also put my email address in the description if you'd like to contact me direct through email. And if you'd like some more information on the SendSpeed List Builder or the Leads Leap tools, then just click on there, get your free membership. I'll put a link in the description, and then you can get a free lifetime membership with Leads Leap. And also with the SendSpeed List Builder, you can have unlimited subscribers for free. So even if you upgrade to Pro within SendSpeed, it's just one fixed price, unlike a lot of the other autoresponders. The monthly cost goes up the more subscribers you get onto your list. So superb value all round with Leads Leap. I use these tools every single day to build my online business. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.